Hi, I'm Jan Diatri. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. Look at this platter of holiday goodies that require only 2 or 3 ingredients. 2-ingredient apple pie, 2-ingredient pumpkin croissants, and 3-ingredient pumpkin-shaped bread. Here's what you'll need. For the apple pies, 1 can of apple pie filling and 1 can of cinnamon rolls. Roll the slices thin, then line a cupcake tin with the dough. Add a couple of tablespoons of pie filling and bake them up. When cool, drizzle with the icing that comes with the dough. Pumpkin croissants are just as easy. Roll each triangle thin. Add a tablespoon of pumpkin pie mix. Fold over, pinch the ends, roll up, and pop them in the oven. Then drizzle with icing. These adorable pumpkin breads are simple too, made with bread dough and pecans. Thaw out the dough, then make 7 slices in the dough, keeping the center intact, and press down to indent. Make an egg wash with 1 egg yolk and a tablespoon of water. Whisk and then brush over the rolls. Pop in the oven, and when done, just add a piece of pecan for the stem. A holiday tray of happiness from the heart of the kitchen. Have fun in the kitchen, 1 minute at a time. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.